Hi, I'm Shruti. I am working here as an AVP CRM.
In a fast moving industry, staying for a decade is rare. Growth changes roles, team evolve, the company scales. But some journeys grow stronger with time. This is a decade with Square Yards, stories of people who didn't just build careers but helped build the company itself.
So yes, it's been 10 years since I've been working here. Yeah, I very well remember my first day at Square Yard. It was in Noida where I joined. So I guess I was the fourth one to join in CRM, and I just joined as an executive, and today I'm working here as an AVP CRM. So it's been a long journey. Role has changed, a drastic role has changed because as I told you that when I joined as an executive, and there have been a number of occasions. I've got a lot of appraisals. I've seen a lot of growth here. I believe Square Yards is just like my baby, because it was a startup when I joined, and today there were just a few number of people in Square Yards, and today it has grown to more than 8,000 employees working here. Got to know that here there is no bar. I can easily reach out to the top management for any of the concerns. We can easily reach out to Kanika ma'am, we can easily reach out to Tanush sir for any kind of concerns, for any issues, for any queries. So there is no bar, there is no such thing that we cannot reach out, we cannot speak to the founders. So yes, I think that this is the best thing here. As everyone is aware that Square Yards is very soon coming up with the IPO. So I'm very excited about it. The company would go listed, and I look forward for the same. We have seen a lot of growth here. We have seen every single thing here. So it's been a great journey. So I will start from my initial days when I joined in Noida office. And then gradually I moved to Gurgaon, and different steps of growth. I would say I've joined as an executive, then I moved to assistant manager, then manager, and then senior manager, and now AVP CRM. So the growth has been great. The journey has been super exciting, and I look forward a lot of growth and a lot of things in future as well.